Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding the maximum value and its index in a list, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial will delve deep into the problem of finding the maximum value within a list, or array, and also locating its index, position, in that list. We'll cover various approaches, from the simplest built-in functions to more customized solutions that offer greater control and potential for optimization in specific scenarios. We'll provide detailed explanations, code examples in Python, and discuss considerations for different data types and performance implications. 1. The problem definition. The core task is straightforward. Given a list of comparable elements, identify the largest element in the list and determine its position, index, within the list. Input a list, or array, of elements that can be compared, example numbers, strings that can be lexicographically